And we're back now with a story you will see only on 10. Disorder in the court in Portsmouth. Problems with prosecuting cases has put the Commonwealth's attorney's office in the spotlight. Tonight, the city's chief prosecutor answers to accusations as well as the state AG's office. They're taking a look as well. Here's 10 on your side's Andy Fox.
Jamal Cannon arrested and charged with first-degree murder. Case goes to trial, but charges drop because the Portsmouth Deputy Commonwealth's attorney failed to include address of a key witness, Cannon's attorney, Michael Massey.
But in this case, they did not indicate that the witness was confidential. They just did not provide the address at all.
Portsmouth Commonwealth's attorney, Stephanie Morales, disagreed with the judge's decision.
Then how come your office has so many problems with discovery?
Well, this office does not have the problems with discovery.
Another case, 19 child abuse neglect charges dismissed against Dewana Seward, who ran a child care facility that caught fire. Her attorney, also Michael Massey, claims he never received a witness list prior to trial, a major failure in rules of discovery. We read to Morales what Judge Brenda Spry said to her deputy Commonwealth's attorney before dismissing the case with prejudice. And it's not just this case.
I will say within a month we had 4 or 5 cases that have dealt with this. Your actions are gross negligence. The prosecutor acknowledged his office, your prosecutor, had not met the burden of care when producing the witness list. What do you want to say about that?
And again, we have judges who make decisions based upon their discretion. They have their opinions, we have our opinions, we have our facts.
The fact is, in recent high-profile cases, judges are ruling against Morales' office.
I kindly disagree to any assertion that this entire office as a whole is not working as it should.
Morales also says judges are making mistakes too.
We have had instances of defense attorneys misstating the law, the judges allowing that information, and we find out after the fact that that is incorrect.
You're blaming the judges.
What I'm doing is I'm being very clear about who has the opportunity to decide.
This is a letter from the State Attorney General.
Morales did not appreciate our handing her this letter from State Attorney General Jason Miyares concerning the management of her office.
In light of recent news reports about serious felony cases involving murders and child abuse in Portsmouth being dismissed
now let me stop
due to mistakes from your office, let me finish.
Now let me stop you. Do you have my response letter? It seems you're unprepared.
I do not have.
You're unprepared because you asked us to speak about certain things and you've brought forward information that you don't have a response for.
We did not tell her about the letter, but we were prepared with the letter, and Morales was prepared not to talk about it, nor to give us a copy of her response letter, which we would later obtain on our own. In it, she defends her office. This office has directives in place that require adherence to all court rules. And while no one is perfect and variances happen, this office overwhelmingly takes seriously the rules of court and governing law. The State Attorney General then offers Morales resources to help prosecute violent crime in the city of Portsmouth.
Attorney General's office has not offered any attorneys as of yet, okay? And I will be meeting with the Attorney General, again, at my request.
No one argues there aren't successes in Morales' office, but critics are concerned how her office handles issues of discovery, even in cases they win.
There was a first-degree murder conviction last week. There was a first-degree murder conviction the week before. There was a homicide conviction not even a month prior to that.
We've learned that Jason Miyares meets next week with Stephanie Morales to see how his office can help. This afternoon, we finally got Morales' response letter that we mentioned in that report, and we have posted that online for you to read. She also answered a FOIA request today, showing she has 10 licensed attorneys and will get another one on November 27th. She has a total of 16 attorney positions. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.